Friday, July 8th, the Vault, Saginaw, is proud to present George Lynch
and the Electric Freedom.
A night of heavy metal licks with the legendary George Lynch
and the Electric Freedom.
Presented by Sullivan Pence, the Proud Veterans Motorcycle Club, and Level 47 Productions. George Lynch
and the Electric Freedom.
Smash down the Vault door with very special guest, Paralandra.
Just letting you know for the record.
And Native Sons. This is an all-ages show. Doors open at 7 p.m. Showtime at 8. Advance tickets $20. $25 day of show. Your tickets are available now at Maple Gardens and Retro Rocks, Bay City and Saginaw. Or at Eventbrite.com. George Lynch
and the Electric Freedom. Friday, July 8th.
Only at
The Vault.
The Vault.